Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I started my morning by waking up early, brushing my teeth, taking a bath, and getting ready for the day. I always feel that when you are physically fresh, your mind automatically becomes more focused and ready to study. Before sitting at my study table, I completed my skincare routine. It is a small habit, but I believe taking care of yourself is equally important. गले में खिचखिच बिकॉज खुद का ख्याल रखना भी प्रिपरेशन का ही पार्ट है. After that, I spent a few peaceful minutes doing my morning puja. Then I picked up today's newspaper. मैं e-newspaper पढ़ती हूँ, by the way. Reading the newspaper is something I never skip. Instead of reading every single article, I focus on important topics related to like governance, IR, economy, science and tech. I also try to understand the issue from a UPSC perspective rather than just memorizing fact. After that, I moved on to my geography optional revision. Today's revision was focused on strengthening concepts and going through my notes once again. Geography is one of those subjects where regular revision makes a huge difference. Along the theory, I also spent some time looking at maps. बट सॉरी, मैं उसकी क्लिप लेना भूल गई हूँ बिकॉज मैप प्रैक्टिस हेल्प्स कनेक्ट कंसेप्ट्स मच बेटर. डेली रिवीजन may look small, but over time it creates a strong foundation. It was finally time for breakfast. I took a short break and had my meal. Then something unexpected happened. My study app suddenly stopped working. Honestly, it was a little frustrating, but I didn't want to waste my time. So I switched to my books and continued studying. This session was dedicated to ancient and medieval history. Many students find history difficult because of the number of rulers, kingdoms, and events. Instead of trying to memorize everything, I prefer understanding the story behind every topic. Once you understand the sequence of events, remembering them becomes much easier. Trust me. Finally, I ended today's study session with something I never skip: prelims MCQ practice. Today I solved questions from the Study IQ Geography Question Bank. So far, I feel it is really useful resource for geography practice. The questions are well aligned with the UPSC pattern and cover both basic as well as conceptual areas. What I like the most is that the explanation helped me understand why an option is correct or incorrect instead of just giving the answer. It is especially helpful for revision purpose. It highlights topics and need more attention. Of course, no single book is enough for UPSC, but as a practice and revision book, I am finding it quite helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.